Hey guys, all right, tonight for dinner we are trying a new recipe at my house. It's called the Best Husband's Delight Casserole. I will be sure to link it down in the description box below. It's 7 ingredients for the casserole. So we are gonna have a 12-ounce bag of egg noodles, and these need to be cooked. 1 jar of spaghetti sauce, whatever kind you like. 16 ounces of sour cream, 1 packet of thick and zesty spaghetti sauce, and you find this like in the dry seasonings, like where all your packets like these are. You're gonna need some cheese. You can use whatever combination of cheese that you would like. You need garlic salt. I do not have garlic salt. I only have garlic powder, so I'm going with it. And then browned hamburger, which I've already got that browned. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my egg noodles cooked, and then we'll be back to put the casserole together. To our browned ground beef, we're gonna add 1 jar of spaghetti sauce. We're gonna add 1 envelope of thick and zesty spaghetti dried seasoning. Gonna add some garlic powder. The recipe calls for garlic salt. I just don't have it. Gonna give this a really good stir. And we're gonna set this to the side. While we're waiting on our noodles to boil and our oven to heat up, we are going to shred some cheese. I got this shredder on Amazon, and you guys, I absolutely love it. And the cheese is so much better. I am using a combination of mozzarella cheese and mild cheddar. We're gonna add our sour cream mixture into our meat and spaghetti sauce. You can either do a separate layer. When you read the blog post, you'll see what it says. And then down in the comments, someone asked if you could just combine the sour cream to the sauce mixture, and she said yes, that would work as well. So that's what we're gonna do, so we don't have to mess around and spend time trying to spread out the sour cream on top of the meat. I have a 9 by 13 baking dish, and I have sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray. I have a little bit of sauce left in the bottom of this jar, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it down on the bottom. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees. I have a kitty cat who's trying to learn how to make husband delight too. She's crazy, she just sits right there and watches. We're gonna get this spread out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just put down a layer of sauce just to help the noodles so that they don't burn. We're basically building a lasagna. First layer is going to be our noodles. We're gonna add our meat mixture. And I'm gonna tweak this to my family's liking. So if there's stuff that you don't like in there, or if there's stuff that you don't have and you wanna substitute something else, by all means, feel free. We are gonna add 1/3 of the cheese. If you wanted to, you could add some Italian seasoning on top of this cheese. You could add some parsley flakes. The recipe doesn't say to do that, so I'm just gonna put it straight into the oven exactly the way that the recipe calls for. We are gonna cook this for 30 minutes uncovered, and I'll be back and show you what it looks like. And here is our finished dinner tonight. I have the garlic bread finishing up in the oven. I'm gonna give this time to rest, and then we're gonna get it plated up. And here is dinner tonight at our house. Our new pasta recipe, Husband's Delight, I think is what it's called. Don't forget, I'll have it linked in the description box below, as well as some garlic bread. All right, guys, I have literally been talking your head off doing that recipe, but it was so good. The sour cream made it taste a little bit different than like a lasagna. It was super good. I highly recommend it. So I cleaned up the kitchen and I went and changed into some different clothes. Actually, on this day, it was a work day and I had to go into the office. So I wanted to get out of those clothes and get into something more comfortable. As you know, we have been working room by room in my house to try to get things under control since the holidays. Everybody was so busy and things were just a mess and decorations and things. So tonight we're going to work on my living room. If you're new to Melinda's Homemaking Life, welcome and thank you so much for being here. A little bit about this channel. We do lots of cleaning videos, organizing, decluttering, laundry. We're incorporating more cooking because people told me that they would like to see cooking as well. We do lots of hacks and we have lots of fun and we try new things, and some things work and some things not so much. But if you like power hour videos, if you like after dark clean with me videos, if you like cleaning motivation, if you like cook with me type videos, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family.
I wanna take you out, show you the time of your life. I wanna figure out what it takes to give you everything you desire. I wanna lay beneath the stars with you in the back of my truck. I guess that this is what they call love. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. I've been waiting on the sidelines, praying for the right time to let you know you're all I ever wanted and more. I wanna level out, order something instead.
I know I'm going to get lots of questions or comments about Allie. In just a minute, you're going to see her on my dining room table. You're right. I let her up there. I do not let her on my counters ever. But I do let her on that dining room table. We never eat on that table unless we're having some kind of gathering or something like that. So if someone was coming to my home, then my whole house would be cleaned, including that table. And then a table pad goes on, and then a tablecloth goes on. So just kind of wanted to call that out, that I know that she is on that table. I know that some people like that, some people don't like that. So as far as I am concerned, she can be on that table. She cannot be on my countertop.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars. Shouldn't they enlighten my near and far? Shouldn't they at all just tell me where you are? Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall.
Okay guys, we're coming to the end of this cook and clean with me video. Just want to tell you thank you guys so much for following along. Wanted to remind you that you can find that recipe in the description box if it sounds like something that your family would like. Also, want to talk to you a little bit about, I am so excited. I have one more video that will be Tyler's room and our hallway bathroom. And then I've got another video that is our laundry room, and we will have went through my entire house and given it a clean after the holidays. So looking forward to seeing you in the comment box on today's video as well as those videos. And just want to tell you, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys on Sunday.